Ahead of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, the walls seem to be closing in around Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and his loyalists, who once called himself a Kattar Imandar. Today, he and his cohorts are being probed for allegations of corruption, kickback, quid pro quo. First Times Network Super Exclusive exposed Aam Aadmi Party's khas 45 crore extravaganza on a sheesh mahal for the Chief Minister. Then we got to you the DJB scam, where documents with us showed how a firm deemed to be ineligible was awarded a contract worth over 38 crore rupees, and now comes the Liquorgate headache. Why? Because for the first time, the Aam Aadmi Party chief and Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has been named as a part of the Liquorgate investigation as an accused. The Enforcement Directorate has accused him and his mantri of getting kickbacks worth 100 crore rupees. In another case, while opposing the bail plea of Manish Sisodia, the CBI hinted that Sisodia could not be given bail. Why? Because another high-profile XYZ could be arrested very quickly. Now look at the sequence of events. The fact that Arvind Kejriwal has been issued multiple summons, more than half a dozen summons, all of which he has skipped, and now the CBI is saying that a high-profile XYZ could be arrested very quickly, and topping it all is the Enforcement Directorate saying that Arvind Kejriwal was instrumental in taking kickbacks of 100 crores. So let's get to you the details of the case itself. Like I said, in a press statement, Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia have been named by the ED. What does this press release say? It says that 100 crores were paid to these leaders of AAP, and the investigation has revealed that Kavitha conspired with top leaders of the party, including Kejriwal and Sisodia, for getting favors in the Delhi excise policy. In exchange, she was involved in paying 100 crore rupees. Naturally, now the BJP is saying, is this the kind of Kattar Imandari that the Aam Aadmi Party promised?
ईडी आखिरकार प्रेस रिलीज दे क्यों रही है? क्या ईडी कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी है? प्रेस रिलीज भारतीय जनता पार्टी देती है, प्रेस रिलीज आम आदमी पार्टी देती है, प्रेस रिलीज कांग्रेस पार्टी देती है। ऐसे पॉलिटिकल प्रेस रिलीजेस ईडी कब से देने लग गई और ईडी क्यों दे रही है, ये अपने आप में एक बड़ा सवाल है। एनफोर्समेंट डायरेक्टरेट, ईडी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का, प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का मात्र एक राजनीतिक हथियार बनके रह गया है।
ये जांच एजेंसियां एविडेंस के आधार पर काम करती है, और जब कातिल कत्ल करता है ना, वो कितना भी होशियार कातिल क्यों ना हो, खून के धब्बे कहीं ना कहीं छुट जाते हैं, और अंततोगत्वा कानून कातिल तक पहुंचता ही है। कत्ल किया है केजरीवाल जी ने हजारों करोड़ों लोगों के विश्वास का, कत्ल किया है केजरीवाल जी ने सच्चाई का, कत्ल किया है केजरीवाल जी ने विकास का, और उसके एविडेंसेस, उन खून के धब्बों के छींट चारों ओर फैले हुए हैं।
The interesting thing, though, is the Congress, which in this entire back and forth over corruption and the Aam Aadmi Party finds itself caught in the middle. Remember, in Punjab and in Delhi, the Congress state unit has called the Aam Aadmi Party corrupt. They have asked for action against them. But at the center, the same Congress party now lashes out at the BJP and says that they are misusing central agencies. In fact, the Congress has also said that their manifesto will have a provision to stop the misuse of these agencies by the ruling dispensation.
हमारे न्याय पत्र में एक लंबा सेक्शन भी है, इस पर काफी चर्चा हुई है। जिस तरीके से ईडी, सीबीआई और इनकम टैक्स बीजेपी के फ्रंटल संस्थाएं बन गई हैं, ये निष्पक्ष संस्थाएं हैं, और कुछ संस्थाएं संवैधानिक संस्थाएं हैं, मिसाल के तौर से चीफ इलेक्शन कमीशन और सीएजी। तो संस्थाओं को सही ढंग से काम करने का पूरा अधिकार है, वो पिछले 10 साल वो अधिकार छीना गया है। वो सिर्फ प्रधानमंत्री और गृह मंत्री के इशारे में काम कर रहे हैं, और इसके बारे में काफी लंबी चर्चा हुई है आज सुबह, और हमारे न्याय पत्र में भी इसका जिक्र होगा।
All right, joining us on the debate is Dr. Akashdeep Muni, political analyst, supports the Aam Aadmi Party, Ravila Sridhar Reddy, spokesperson of the BRS. And my first question is to you, Harish Khurana, spokesperson of the BJP. Now, to even the CBI is saying in court an important XYZ is going to be arrested very soon. The Aam Aadmi Party is saying you have issued him 9 summons. CBI is telling the court important XYZ is going to be arrested. Just arrest him, no? What are you waiting for? If you have the evidence, arrest him.
Padmaja, neither I am a spokesperson for CBI nor for ED. What ED and what CBI is doing, as per the law, they are taking their own course. But end of the day, Aam Aadmi Party, Arvind Kejriwal has to give the answer to a lot of questions that has to be asked by the ED. But they are trying to build a narrative. हम तो बेचारे हैं जी, बेचारा पॉलिटिक्स है, हमारे तो वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स हो रही है. That will be not, इससे काम नहीं चलने वाला. They are building a narrative that we are bechara, and court has given them the relief that because the matter is in court, you can't summon the ED. You can't summon by the ED. But this is a copy with me of the order of the copy of the court, where there is clearly written that there is no stay on the proceedings on the accused. I'm quoting, accused Arvind Kejriwal. Is the order copy with me. Now, in statement of Mr. Rungta and Reddy, Mr. Reddy and his son Samir Reddy has clearly stated under 164. You know what 164 is? They clearly stated that Kavitha is she approached. I'm quoting it. Regarding liquor business, earlier Ms. Kavitha, daughter of Chief Minster Telangana, Mr. Rao, has already approached me to the liquor business in Delhi and offered 100 crore rupees to the party, that is Aam Aadmi Party. Now, are you God, Arvind Kejriwal, that you can't be questioned? Question has to be asked.
Okay.
When someone is saying under 164 legally that we have given the commission 100 crore rupees have been exchanged. Why can't the question been asked from the Arvind Kejriwal? What is this?
Akashdeep Muni.
And again,
yes.
10 seconds more. And if these things are illegal, why have you not moved in the court till date to quash these proceedings? Why have you not moved to do that?
Akashdeep Muni, here is what the ED statement says. ED investigation revealed Ms. K. Kavitha along with others conspired with top leaders of Aam Aadmi Party including Arvind Kejriwal and Manish Sisodia for getting favors in Delhi excise policy formulation. In exchange, she was involved in paying 100 crore rupees to the leaders of AAP. Nobody is questioning the facts of this. Today, Atishi did a press conference. What did she say? ED press statement क्यों release कर रही है? अरे आप facts की बात कीजिए ना. It's like police officer is saying मैं वारंट लेके आ गया, आप कहें ये आपका वारंट जो है इस फॉन्ट में क्यों टाइप हुआ है? अरे वारंट पे जवाब दीजिए आप.
देखिए पद्मजा जी, आपका एग्जाम्पल बिल्कुल ही गलत है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे वारंट नहीं, वारंट एक स्टैट्यूटरी अथॉरिटी होता है.
Jabki, sir, that was a hypothetical explanation. My question is that the ED is making a charge that 100 crores were paid. Instead of answering the charge of 100 crores, you are saying, why is the ED giving a press statement? Answer the question.
अरे जो कानून को नहीं जानता वो ऐसी बातें करता है. आप तो सीनियर जर्नलिस्ट हैं, आपको पता है कि ना जी प्रेस स्टेटमेंट कोर्ट में काम नहीं करती भाई, वारंट काम करता है. आप चार्जशीट का काम करती है.
अरे सर, मेरे को चार्जशीट, प्रेस स्टेटमेंट, वारंट सबका डिफरेंस पता है. लेट मी मेक इट सिंपलर फॉर यू. लेट मी मेक इट सिंपलेस्ट फॉर यू. आप इधर उधर की बात ना करें, ये बताएं कि 100 करोड़ मिला कि नहीं.
आपको पता होगा कि सेम एलिगेशंस ईडी ने लगाया था मनीष सिसोदिया के खिलाफ कोर्ट में कि उनको 100 करोड़ के किकबैक्स मिले हैं, जिसपे जस्टिस खन्ना ने बोला था कि there is this assertion of the complainant filed by ED, complaint filed by ED regarding payment of 100 crore is a matter of debate and cannot be alleged under PMLA as has not been argued. It means that उन्होंने डायरेक्टली खारिज कर दिया. अब जब कोर्ट ने खारिज कर दिया, उसके बाद आप प्रेस रिलीज निकाल लो, हो गया, कुछ भी कर लो. वो अल्टीमेटली अगर वो इतने ही कॉन्फिडेंट थे 100 करोड़ के, तो पहले ही वो अरविंद केजरीवाल और मनीष सिसोदिया को डाल देते. पर एक फैक्ट मैं बताना चाहूंगा और
आपको मैं ये बताऊं, आप एक पुरानी बात कर रहे हैं. Before Harish Khurana responds to that, do you know that yesterday the Supreme Court dismissed a bail plea by the same Manish Sisodia, and in dismissing his plea, the Supreme Court said, and I quote, the top court in its order said that the tentative establishment of a money trail amounting to 338 crores has been done in the case of hand. The Supreme Court of India has said that tentatively 338 crore money trail is established.
Court of law, if argued, the same Supreme Court said that this case won't stand for 2 minutes in a court of law if argued. Actually, argument अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुआ है ना, जब वो शुरू करेंगे तब होगा.
तो आपको जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आपको पसंद आए आप वो मान लीजिए, जो आपको पसंद ना आए जब सुप्रीम कोर्ट कह रहा है कि भैया 338 करोड़ का मनी ट्रेल मिल गया है.
मैं तो पद्मजा जी आपके थ्रू बीजेपी को पूछना चाहता हूं कि ईडी आपके इतने क्लियर हार्ट वाले हैं, तो रविंद्र वालकर को जनवरी में जब ईडी रेड्स होता है वो ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं भाई, मार्च में वो बीजेपी ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. तापस रॉय को जनवरी में ईडी रेड होता है.
क्यों इधर-उधर की बात कर रहे हैं? मैंने आपसे आई हैव आस्क्ड यू टू स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चंस. वर 100 crores taken? Yes or no? What do you have to say about Supreme Court saying in its order 338 crore money trail established?
देखिए, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि द प्रोसीड्स ऑफ क्राइम कैन बी इंक्लूडेड इन एज द मनी ट्रेल. नाउ प्रोसीड्स ऑफ क्राइम मतलब में कि जो प्रॉफिट अर्न किया गया है एक्साइज पॉलिसी के द्वारा, उसी को ही उन्होंने प्रोसीड्स ऑफ क्राइम में ले लिया, उसी का मनी ट्रेल बात कर रहे हैं.
ओके, रिस्पॉन्ड हरीश खुराना. स्टिल प्रूव्स नथिंग.
नो वेट अ मिनट.
If nothing is
अरे you asked a question. You asked a question. Let him answer it now. Prove nothing is proven. Harish Khurana.
As per Akash Muni's statement that nothing has been proven, why court is not honorable, Supreme Court is not giving the bail. Yesterday, curative petition of Manish Sisodia has been rejected, and not this is for the first time. 14 times he has applied for the bail. It has been rejected, and not even only Manish Sisodia, Sanjay Singh, your Vijay Nair. These all people who are linked with Aam Aadmi Party, their bail has been rejected many times, not once. And in fact, in the time of Sanjay Singh, court has clearly said in its statement there's a prima facie evidence against Sanjay Singh in a liquor scam. So point is, वही वाली बात है, आप इधर उधर की बात मत करो. ये बताओ, why are you not coming in front and giving the answer to the ED? Okay. You are saying it's illegal. Arey Baba, court has already said this is a legal proceeding which has been conducted by ED. You are just running.
Okay, Ravila Sridhar Reddy was Kavitha, Miss Kavitha arrested first, and now the CBI saying another high-profile person is likely to be arrested. Do you think that she was the first link to Mr. Kejriwal eventually having the law catch up with him?
No, I mean, these are all, imaginations. We have very clearly mentioned and stated in the past also. Kavitha ji herself has clarified to the media many a times that she has no links anyway with this particular case. Just by knowing few businessmen, if they try to establish that she has a direct link with the case and she is involved in the money laundering and extra, is completely out of political vendetta. We have been saying this. This case is a no case, and it's a politically, fabricated case for political reasons. And today, I mean, they are speaking about 100 crores. Where is 100 crores? Who found 100 crores? Just, based on the few statements on papers by few, so-called accused turned, approvers, if you wanted to establish somebody has done a crime, and how it is possible. And even before the court pronounces its verdict on her writ petition that, all the ED activities has to be stopped against her, even before the court announces on whether it is posted for today, they have arrested her. Now, of course, we have withdrawn that petition and we have filed another petition questioning the ED's conduct, arresting her and all that. But, when it comes to the trial in the court, the truth will come out. We will come out clean in this particular case. All the numbers from the day when we are saying the numbers are imaginary. The policy, if you derive the case, rather if you fix the price at X or you take the at Y, this might come in or this might is the loss. I mean, these are all imaginary. There is no basis for this. And whatever they have been saying for the past 2 years, the same thing is mentioned in the yesterday's press note of the ED. There is nothing new in it.
Okay.
There's nothing new in it, rather.
There's nothing new in it,
So,
Mr.
as
Khurana.
somebody was saying, rather, I mean, we have never seen investigative agencies giving the press notes.
Okay.
And where does the doubt comes in?
This is being repeated by
Same
both
thing.
parties.
Only-
Harish Khurana.
only
You know,
cases are
ED
taken
acting
off
like an extended arm of the BJP. Bang before the elections, they make an arrest and they issue these press notes.
See, first of all, when these people says ki why they are issuing a press note, this is not for the first time ED has issued a press notes. I mean, this is a regular procedure. They issue a press note when there is high-profile cases has been investigated. They issue a press note. If you go to a site of ED, I think 143 odd press note has been found. मैं वही निकालने लगा था. Point is, there's a clear-cut rhetorics that हमारे साथ तो vendetta politics हो रही है. But when they say this kind of things, that political vendetta is going on, they forgot to tell, since last 1.5 years, Manish Sisodia bail has been rejected since last 18 times. 18 times. And yesterday only curative petition has been dismissed.
Okay.
Point is, when they talk about this ED is doing a vendetta politics, why are you not getting a relief from the honorable courts? Are the courts of of our country is biased? I don't think so. Courts are neutral and independent of their judgments. So if you talk about Vijay Nair, if you talk about Sanjay Singh, if you talk about other people, Manish Sisodia and other people, they're not getting the relief from the honorable courts. If I agree, आपको problem होगी ED के साथ. But what about the courts? You can go and move in the court and get the bail or get this case cursed.
Okay, but you know, many people would also say that eventually, if after 2, 3, 4, 5 years, the case is quashed, hasn't the process become the punishment? So at this point, sure, people may have been denied bail. But what about the eventual conviction and the actual money trail? That remains crucial. Supreme Court now saying prima facie it may have been established, but the proof of the pudding will be in the eating. Thanks, gentlemen, for watching and for joining us.